2 Pallas is the third largest asteroid in the solar system by volume and mass. It is the second asteroid to have been discovered, after Ceres, and is a likely remnant protoplanet. It was discovered by German astronomer Heinrich Wilhelm Olbers on March 28, 1802, and is one of the largest asteroids in the solar system, with a diameter of approximately 544 kilometers. It is named after Pallas Athena, the Greek goddess of wisdom. It has a highly irregular shape, with a large impact crater on one side that suggests it may have experienced a significant collision in its past. 2 Pallas has a relatively high density compared to other asteroids, indicating that it may be composed of a significant amount of metal or have a differentiated interior. It has a rotation period of about 7.8 hours and an orbital period of 4.6 Earth years. Asteroid 2 Pallas will appear within Hercules in direct opposition to the Sun on May 17, 2024 at magnitude plus 9.0. Asteroid 2 Pallas will be well placed, lying in the constellation Hercules, well above the horizon for much of the night. This optimal positioning occurs when it makes its closest approach to the point in the sky directly opposite to the Sun, an event termed opposition. Since the Sun reaches its greatest distance below the horizon at midnight, the point opposite to it is highest in the sky at the same time. At around the same time that 2 Pallas passes opposition, it also makes its closest approach to the Earth, termed its perigee, making it appear at its brightest in the night sky. On this occasion, 2 Pallas will pass within 2.163 astronomical units of us, reaching a peak brightness of magnitude 9.0. Nonetheless, even at its brightest, 2 Pallas is a faint object beyond the reach of the naked eye. Binoculars or a telescope of moderate aperture are needed. Pallas's orbital inclination of 34.8 degrees is rather large, but its moderate orbital eccentricity, 0.23, mean distance from the Sun of 2.77 astronomical units, about 414 million kilometers, and orbital period of 4.62 years are typical for asteroids located between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Like Ceres, it is believed to have a mineral composition similar to carbonaceous chondrite meteorites, though significantly less hydrated than Ceres. It is 79% the mass of Vesta and 22% the mass of Ceres, constituting an estimated 7% of the mass of the asteroid belt. However, observations from Earth-based telescopes and the Hubble Space Telescope have provided valuable insights into its geology, composition, and history.